Alright, Assalamualaikum and hello friend, my name is Muhammad Daifullah. So for today, I will demo for packet tracer configuring basic Eigrp with IPv4. So for the objective for this lab is configure the Eigrp and verify Eigrp routing. So we can see here, we have 6 network, .1, .2, .3 and 192.168.10.4 and .10.8 and .1.0. Okay, so first we want to go to the part 1. Configure Eigrp. Step 1, enable the Eigrp routing process. So enable Eigrp routing process on each router using AS number 1. The configuration R1 is shown. Okay, so this is the command. Then what is the range for what is the range of number that can be used for AS? So we go to the R1. Right, so kita enable config T, and then we use router Eigrp. Okay, then we type the question mark. Okay, so we can see here AS number is 1 between 65535. So we configure as 1. Alright, so we do the same thing for R2. Okay, we do the same thing and config T, then router Eigrp1. Okay. Okay, and config T, router Eigrp1. Alright, so we go to the next step. Okay, advertise directly connected network. Okay, use show IP route to display directly connected network on each router. Then on each router, configure Eigrp to advertise the specific directly connected subnet. The configuration R1 is shown. Okay, so this is the command for advertising the network using Eigrp. Okay, so we go to the R1. Alright, so we use the command to show IP route connected. Alright, then we use command network, then 172.116.1.0. so the welcome mask for /24 is 0.0.0.255. okay, so next, okay, 172.16.3.0. then the welcome mask for /30 is 3. Right, so alright, so sorry, okay, I insert the wrong network. Okay, right, so we change this to 3. Okay, then network 192.168.10.4. then the welcome mask is 0.3. right, then we go to the R2. Okay, do show IP route connected. Do show IP route connected. Right, then we attach the network 172.16.2.0. then the welcome mask is 255.255.255. Sorry, the welcome is 0.0.0.255 because /24. then next 172.16.2.16.3.0. then the welcome mask is 3. right, so and we can see here for 170.16.3. okay, 172.16.3 is already to be enabled. between R1 and R2. Okay, so it's mean R1 and R2 already be a new neighbor. Okay, so we continue. Network 192.198.10.8. Okay, so the welcome mask is .3. Okay, so we go to the next router, do show IP route connected, network 192.168.1.0 0.0.0.255. Okay, network 192.16 192.168.10.4. so the welcome mask is 0.0.0.3. Alright, so we can see here 192.168.10.0 192.168.10.4 is here. So it means R1 and R3 is already be a new neighbor. Okay, so next, network 192.168.10.8. okay, sorry, so we need to put the welcome mask. Right, so the welcome mask is 0.0.0.3. Right, okay, so now we are ready to done for advertise the network. So we want to configure passive interface for each router. So to configure the LAN interface do not advertise Eigrp update. So we need to use passive interface for 0/0 for the LAN. Alright, so we go to the R1 and passive interface G0/0. Okay, because here the interface here is G0/0. Okay, this one we do the same thing. Okay, passive interface G0/0. Okay, here so passive interface G0/0. Okay, so done. So next step, disable automatic summarization. So we don't want it to auto summary, so we use no auto summary command to disable auto summary. Okay, so we use the same command, no auto summary, and on R3 and no auto summary. Alright, then we give copy running config, startup config. Right, so we do the same thing. Okay. Copy running config, startup config. Copy running config, startup config. Okay, so alright, now we want to verify the Eigrp routing. So first one, we want to examine the neighbors adjacencies. So we go to the R1. Okay, then we use show IP Eigrp neighbors. Okay, so we can see we have two neighbor here for R1. So a neighbor between R2 and R1 and R1 and R3. Then we try to the next router. So we show IP, ARG, IP neighbors. Okay, so we can see here R2 also have two neighbor between R1 and R3. Right, so here then we go to R3, then we use the same command, show IP, ARG, RP neighbors. Okay, right, so we have two neighbor here R4 between R2 and between R1. Okay, so we want to display the EIGRP routing protocol parameter, so we use the command for show IP protocol. Okay, so we can see here routing protocols is EIGRP1, then distributing EIGRP1, then we also can see here we have the passing interface G0/0. Okay, so we go to the next. Okay, show IP protocol. Okay, routing protocols EIGRP1, distributing EIGRP1, then the passing interface 0/0. Then we go to the next. Okay, show IP protocol. Okay, so we can see here routing protocol is EIGRP1, distributing EIGRP1, then passes interface is 0/0. Okay, now I want to show the IP route for EIGRP. So we go to R1, then we use command show IP route EIGRP. Okay, so we can see here now have three network here is advertised from the other router. So you can see have the three different network advertised by different router. So we have the network for 192.168.1.0. we have the network for 192.168.10.8. then we have the network for 172.16.2.0 from other advertised from other router. So we go to the R2. Okay, show IP route EIGRP. So we can see here we have three different network advertised from other router. Okay, so here show IP route EIGRP. So we can see here we have also have three different network advertised from R1 and R2. Now I want to try the connectivity between each network. So first we go to the PC1, then we type IP config. Okay, then we go to the PC2, type IP config, then we go to the PC3 IP config. Okay, so we want to test between PC1 to PC2. So let's see the PC2 IP. So it's .2.10. Alright, so now we ping the gateway first. So our gateway is 172.16.1.1. Okay, so it's successful. Right. Okay, now I ping to PC2 172.16.10.8.2.10. Okay, so now it's from PC1 to PC2. So as we can see, the ping is successful. Alright, so let's see for the PC3. So the PC3 network is 192.168.1.10. Alright, so we use the PC1 ping 192 168.168.1.10. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, now we try to use PC2 to ping each other. So first we ping the gateway first, 172.16.2.1. So successful. Okay, now we ping to the PC1, 16.1.10. So it's successful also. So we try to ping PC3, 192.168.1.10. Okay, so it's also successful. Okay, so we go to PC3, same, we ping the gateway first, 192.168.1.1. Right, successful. Now we ping to the PC2. Okay. Okay, sorry, we input the wrong IP. So 172.16.2.10. So it's successful. So we ping for PC1, 116.1.10. Okay, so you can see, so all the connectivity is completely successful. Okay, alright guys, I think this just for me. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you guys will like it.